TypeScript has a lot of features that make it a great language to use for web development. In this video, we will see utility types in TypeScript. TypeScript utility types are a set of predefined types that allow you to perform operations on existing types to create new ones. These utility types can be used to extract, transform, or modify the properties of a type in a type-safe way. Let's say we have an interface called user, which has an ID, name, email, phone, and avatar properties. Phone and avatar are optional properties and the rest are required properties. Let's see how we can use utility types to create new types based on the user interface. 1. Partial, which makes all the properties of the interface optional. We want to create a new object based on the user interface, but all of the properties must be optional. We can use the partial utility type to do this. 2. Required, which makes all the properties of the interface required. We want to create a new object based on the user interface, but we need to ensure that all of the properties are required. We can accomplish this by utilizing the required utility type. We will now get a compile time error if we do not provide a value for the phone and avatar properties. 3. Pick, if want to pick a subset of properties from an interface. In this case, we want to create a new object based on the user interface, but we want to pick only the ID and name properties. 4. Omit, this is useful when we want to remove a subset of an interface's properties. In this case, we want to create a new object based on the user interface, but we don't want the ID and name properties to be included. 5. Read-only, it makes all the properties of the interface read-only. This is useful when we have already assigned a value to a property and we don't want to allow the user to modify the value. In this case, once we have assigned a value to the role property, now we can't change the value of the role property. 6. Record, which allows you to create an object type where the keys are of one type and the values are of another type. 7. Exclude, which allows you to create a type that excludes a subset of properties from another type. Let's say we have a type called role, which has three possible values: admin, user, and guest. We want to create a new type called non-admin, which excludes the admin value from the role type. 8. Extract, it allows us to create a type that includes a subset of properties from another type. It's the opposite of the exclude utility type. In this case, we want to create a new type called admin, which includes only the admin value from the role type. 9. Non-nullable, it allows us to create a type that excludes null and undefined from another type. 10. Uppercase, it allows you to create a type that converts all the properties of an interface to uppercase. 11. Lowercase, it allows you to create a type that converts all the properties of an interface to lowercase. 12. Capitalize, it allows you to create a type that converts the first letter of all the properties of an interface to uppercase. 13. Uncapitalize, it allows you to create a type that converts the first letter of all the properties of an interface to lowercase. 14. Awaited, it allows you to create a type that unwraps the type of a promise. 15. Return type, it allows you to create a type that extracts the return type of a function. It's useful when you are not sure what the return type of a function is. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.